Senior .NET devs, you ever hand AI a task and walk away? You come back to complete garbage? You already know this reminder for senior .NET developers. AI is not a senior engineer like you are, but it is a very fast junior with encyclopedic memory. It has the knowledge, but it doesn't have the judgment. And when you give it the kind of vague instructions that you'd give a senior teammate, well, it'll fill in the gaps wrong. And when I started using AI heavily to build out projects, I kept getting burned. I'd say, add this feature, and it wouldn't do what I expected. Instead, it created something that could be considered correct, but it missed the mark in a big way, in a way that a human teammate would not. I'd say, refactor the service and ended up restructuring half the project. The output was fast, but wrong. Then I realized that I was briefing the LLM like it was a senior developer. And it's easy to fall into that trap because it has so much information and it's so helpful. But once I started writing instructions the way that I'd brief a sharp junior developer by explicitly stating my expectations, setting clear boundaries and specific outcomes that I was wanting, well, the results actually changed overnight for me. So ask yourself this: before you let AI run on its own, did you write things down that you're taking for granted? The conventions, the patterns, the obvious stuff that a senior dev just knows or can easily figure out. Write those down. Put them in the prompt or in some documentation for the agent. That's the difference between AI saves you hours versus an AI that wastes your afternoon. The tool isn't broken, your instructions are. I'm Chad Carter, helping .NET teams ship production apps faster. You already know what you're doing, so now go and ship it. And hey, if this helped, you know the drill. Plus, you may want to go ahead and share this with the dev that you like. And I'll see you in the next video.